Just a quick video to show you my completed new sewing machine desk for my Bernina. My husband set it in and he cut the plexiglass for it, and then this will come off and set on the top here so I can put my embroidery unit on. And there's the embroidery unit, and I just stuck all this other stuff on it. The nice thing about having a metal desk is I can put these little magnets on and stick my tools wherever I want them. And then it's got a little drawer. And then he made me one for my serger, so this one moves around also, so they all have wheels on the bottom. And the serger one also has its own drawer.
Look at you. Let's see if it is table leg.
Oh, cool. So what are you doing now?
I'm getting ready to put a support in to hold this part.
So that's the cutout for the sewing machine to sit down, and it'll sit down on this ledge. So I see you finished all the welds on this piece and grinded them. That's why your face is so dirty.
So,
Looks good.
The cutout will be this big. And when you pull it off, you can slide it in here. It'll be a bottom.
There won't be a bottom? Is that what you're saying?
The piece that you put in the top to make it flat,
Right.
pull out and it will slide in here and fit in here.
Okay. And then next, he's going to be making a new desktop for my computer. I don't like the one that came with the sit stand that I have over here. So he's going to put a top on that looks just like this, the same kind of wood. And then last but not least, he's going to take this table apart and put a new top on it and put wheels on it and cut this so that these are separate units, because it's hard to arrange and move around the way it is currently. And then I just have roll around carts everywhere, so for you know, extra places to put stuff. So this is my Baby Lock Destiny 2, and I do most of my embroidery on this one. And of course my computer, my Bernina, I do most of my sewing on here, a little bit of embroidery, but not really what it's for. I have a Baby Lock Ovation serger, and over here is my Juki 1541 that I do most of upholstery and bag sewing and stuff on this. And this is my Baby Lock Soprano, which I just replaced with this Bernina. This is a used Bernina. This one is 10 years old. I couldn't afford a brand new one. And this one, excuse me, cost as much as this one, brand new. So I don't know. This is actually a really good machine. It's got lots of stitches on it. And the nice thing about having all Baby Locks was all the bobbins and everything are exactly the same, and all the feet. But this is fine. This works out for me. And my husband 3D printed me some little tools to hang my accessories on. And let's go back over here where the Baby Lock is. So I think I'm going to have him put another shelf on the bottom so I can put my books and my Cricut stuff. My Cricut's over here. I'll probably move it over here. I haven't quite decided what I'm gonna do. I just don't know if I have a long enough cord to hook it up to the computer or not. And here's all my Cricut mats, all my thread for embroidery. This is my cutting station. I haven't cleaned anything up, so this is what it looks like. And this is my rulers. And here is where I do my ironing. All my long arm stuff is in those drawers. And then just more miscellaneous stuff, another cart. And of course my long arm is right here. And this is a Gamble long arm. It's a 26-inch. And this is my thread for my long arm. These are the quilts that need to be quilted. And some more embroidery thread, mostly metallics and stuff like that. And then some recording stuff, my bobbin winder for my long arm, my AccuQuilt dies, my cutter, and a purse project I need to finish for my niece, and just scrap fabric that I usually cut it into half square triangles or something like that with my AccuQuilt cutter, so that I can maybe use it in a future project. I don't know, we'll see. So that's what I have. I have my sewing room in the basement. That's the stairs to the basement. Another rolling cart and my little table. And then the rest of the basement is a guest room. And that's kind of what it looks like. Again, I haven't cleaned anything up. My little recording station over here by my 1907 treadle sewing machine. And my old sewing machine my husband painted for me. It's a 99. It actually works. Fireplace, recliners, and quilts, and more fabric storage over here. This closet has junk in it. We don't want to look in there. But this is where I keep most of my fat quarters and miscellaneous things. This is binding. I don't know what's all in there. Ribbons, purse stuff, I think. Oh goodness, and more zippers. And this closet has the rest of my supplies in it. My fabric, some woodworking stuff. I mean, not woodworking, leatherworking stuff. Some jewelry stuff, some pine basket, my watercolors, and my painting stuff, my pins. I think I have a bunch of hot glue guns I didn't even know I had. I finally kind of gathered them all in one place. These used to have all my lampwork beads in them. And I'm not sure if I have any in there. Oh, looks like they're empty. Yeah, they're all empty, but I used to make lampwork beads. Yeah, I still have some. I still have the tools for that. Leftover batting, waterproof canvas, and some leather stuff. Some more batting, scraps, and those two things down there have all my leather tools. Some polyfill and more fabric, and these are pre-cuts. And books and other junk. So let me show you. These are all my quilts, some of my quilts, and some of my small little sewing machines. Let me show you my lampwork beads that I used to make. And here they are. Now some of these are not mine. Some of these I have bought or people have gave to me. Little frog is mine. I don't think those are. Those are mine. The little blue silicate bead is mine. The little pirate bead is mine. And these right here are all mine. And those. And some of those, not the cat, but the rest of those. Anyway, I used to make a lot of lampwork beads and a lot of jewelry, so I actually have a little chest over here that has all my bead supplies. And that's it. That's my craft room slash guest room slash, I don't know what you want to call this. You know, if you want to come down here and watch TV, you can. And that's it. Thanks.